Hey there DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in home improvement, hairpin furniture legs. Specifically, we'll be looking at the SMARTSTANDARD 6-inch heavy-duty hairpin furniture legs. If you're into creating stylish, modern furniture pieces, you're in for a treat with this product. The SMARTSTANDARD 6-inch hairpin furniture legs are designed to elevate your DIY projects. Made from heavy-duty solid steel with a sleek satin black powder-coated finish, these legs not only look great but are built to last. Each leg can support up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability for a wide range of furniture pieces. These legs are not just about aesthetics, they combine style with functionality. Whether you're refurbishing old furniture or starting from scratch, the SMARTSTANDARD 6-inch hairpin legs offer the perfect blend of design and strength. To sum it up, if you're looking to add a touch of modern elegance to your DIY furniture projects, look no further than the SMARTSTANDARD 6-inch hairpin furniture legs. They're sturdy, stylish, and designed to bring your creative visions to life. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and where to purchase these fantastic legs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews on the latest products. See you next time.